Hi, I'm Maria from Cos Bar, and my friend Liz here is going to try some eye treatments that Cos Bar has to offer. So the first thing we're going to use is the La Prairie Caviar Eye Extract. Caviar Eye Extract is a serum, so I'm going to take a little bit on my ring finger because the ring finger is the most gentle finger. And we're just going to massage it from outer to inner, under the eye. Close, please, Liz. And then we're going to also apply it to the lid. And as it absorbs, it will have a lifting and tightening effect. How does it feel?
Really nice.
Good.
Very cooling.
Good. Great. You always want to use your eye treatments first because you don't want to get serums or anything aggressive on your hands and then go to your eyes. It could be a little irritating. So do the eyes first. So what I'm applying now is actually the La Mer Eye Concentrate. And this product is wonderful for hydrating the area around the eyes. Also great at minimizing dark circles. Back to the serum. Again, this one can be used on the lid as well. Lifting, firming, has a nice tightening effect. And then we follow up with a little hydration from La Mer Eye Concentrate. Could she be any more gorgeous?